Okay, my name is Said Ahmed Mohammed. I'm from Ethiopia. Today we will discuss about what's CMD. CMD is uh, how to command our computer using text, or uh, how to create something like a folder file, uh, and how to connect with our code. It's uh, it's mandatory for coding knowledge. For that, today we will begin from CMD. First, we opened CMD. We go to into search bar. We say only CMD, or other way, window plus R, and write CMD and enter or OK. Let's go to CMD editor. This is CMD command tools by text, and then C means local disk C. Local disk C. It show uh, it show C means local disk C, and user is a folder. How to know? Uh, Always get in this place before this greater than sign. Those are folders. For that, users is a folder exist in command local disk C. HP is folder exist in users folder. And if you need list folders and files have in HP, you can say dir. What does it mean dir? Dir means directories. That means folders, and we can click enter. Those all are files and folders. We can check in our folder station. Open File Explorer, then go to local disk C, because it's in local disk C. For that, local disk C and user is the folder uh, in local disk C. For that, we click user folder. We find out that's user folder. Where is it? Where is it? Yeah, get it. Click it. In user folder has HP folder. Yeah, it's right. Yeah, like that. It is HP folder, and click it. Those folder and files are list in this CMD uh, CMD editors. For example, Android, this anti-graffiti. Yeah, it is Business. It is almost all uh, exist in this HP folder. For that, in simply we can check in our CMD tools. It is good for list which folders and files are exist to show that. And next, if you need clean our editor texts like those, we say CLS and enter. All things are disappear or clean. And then If you need back into user folder, and if you list uh, which uh, which get into folders in user to show, we can show, or we can back uh, into user folder. We can ask for that, say cd and 2 point and enter. It piece uh, it disappear and go into user. For that we can list, or we can check which folders have in users folder. uh, we say dir hp and public are exist in users folder. We can check it in file explorer. We can check it user folder, hp and public, hp and public. Get it? uh, Today we will discuss about this. Thank you watching this video. uh, Please subscribe and like this video.